southern Lee Seward County, northeastern Blue Earth County, southwestern Rice County, northwestern Waseca County, southeastern Nicollet County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mankato, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected.
That was unexpected.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Eagle Lake around 7:55 p.m. Madison Lake around 8 p.m. Cleveland around 8:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Ellison and Waterville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.